Come on, Colin, let's go. We could use it. Sharp whip. I want to get out of here. That gives me nightmares.
Asher, is it just swollen? Is it just swollen, or what do you think?
I can't feel it.
Where'd you get hit? Was it Noah that hit you? Or
It was no, me and Noah when we hit that guy. Like that guy's knee.
You need to
like,
go.
All the force from Noah came through that guy, and like that guy's knee just went right into my leg.
I suggest you go see the trainer and have them put some ice on it right away.
Dude, that's what.
It's like, I don't want to say this. Is it your knee?
No, it's right here. Thank God.
But I would go to the trainer and get go get some ice.
Yo, we need to make the face chat.
Hey, Peter.
Just hurry so we can go.
Peter.
Yeah.
Is your golf right here?
Yeah, it's over there.
All right, man. Drive safely back. Look forward to it. Have a good trip back. Yeah, it was nice. All right, good job. Dude, so Noah feeds you. Noah fed you.
I know. Where's the sticks?
That was awesome.
That was a bad idea.
Oh, when you went through the middle there?
Yeah.
I go, this isn't going to end well. Oh, you're going in there like
I didn't think that through. I just want more.
trying to pull a Noah there for a second there, huh?
Come on, let's go. Thanks for playing with us.
Yes.
Good job, man.
Go to Gallagher. All right, Joshua Tree.
You going to Joshua Tree?
Yeah, dude.
I have to go to some thing for extra credit.
That's what he did last year for extra credit, I think.
What?
Where you had to go for extra credit?
Where do I have to go?
Yeah.
I have to go to LACMA.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
You can't get there. No. Luckily, you mean in LA? Los Angeles? Easy? Good luck getting there on time. Go to MLK.